I was always struggling playing in that edge.
Mm.
And but still, of course, I cannot betray myself, right? I have to follow who I am.
Welcome to another episode of Unstoppable You NLP Success Journeys. I'm your host, June Acevedo. I'm a certified neurolinguistic programming master trainer and a mindset mastery and transformational leadership coach. In this podcast, we uncover the extraordinary stories of transformation powered by neurolinguistic programming. Today, we're diving deep into one life-changing journey that started with a drive for excellence and being the best in what she does. Imagine flipping the script and discovering a version of yourself that's unstoppable. That's the power of NLP, and that's what we're exploring today. Now, allow me to introduce our guest for this evening. Our guest for tonight is someone whose energy radiates transformation and whose passion for life is absolutely contagious. She is a dynamic neurolinguistic programming practitioner, a passionate dancer, and a devoted seeker of collective consciousness awakening. With a deep love for life and a mission to empower others, she helps individuals break through their limitations and step into their fullest potential. Get ready for an inspiring conversation as we welcome the unstoppable Coach EJ Manuel. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome Coach EJ. Tim EJ, take us back to the moment when everything changed in your life, nung time na yun, no? Before we met, ano ba yung parang breaking point sa buhay mo or wall that you were facing during that time?
That time when we met kasi sa Toastmasters, di ba?
Yeah.
Toastmaster June. So at that time, I really love speaking, right? And I come and go sa Toastmaster speaking. I love the people. I learned so much. Even mentors, right? They're so good. They guide you. Um, at the same time, at that time, I was hustling. I was in like survival mode.
Mm.
It was difficult. Naglalaro sa akin yung part na unahin like my sisters, siyempre andiyan yung mga kapatid mo, 'di ba? Sasabihin ka, unahin mo yung work mo, yung income mo, how are you gonna sustain yourself kaysa sa passion mo or what you want to do. I was always struggling playing in that edge.
Mm.
And but still, of course, I cannot betray myself, right? I have to follow who I am. And so, yeah, so I started um, doing what I like to do. Um, Sometimes also in business, di ba? Even though it's putting money into your pocket, it sustains, it pays off the bills. Pero still, you're looking for that, like, sino ka? What can you contribute? And so I started following that path. Back then when I was flying as a flight attendant for Qatar Airways, I got into yoga. That all started the meditation, and then I got into this in this meditation where I'm not in this world,
Mm.
this 3D world that we're living in, this 2-bit world. And then And then from there, since I followed that track, I got into, and then nag-introduce ka sa akin ng NLP, which is neuro-linguistic programming, and I got curious about it, and I started learning from it. Started there actually. Well, yoga, and then after yoga, meditation, and then NLP. And then when I got into the States, I just kept following synchronicities.
Yeah.
Well, for women, for us, we are more intuitive, right?
Yeah.
So I follow that intuition and I lean into it. And then I because social media, when you like something, the algorithm follows. So
Yeah.
they give you kung ano yung gusto mo, i-feed ka nila, di ba? And so I followed that, and then I got into this an app called Mind Valley. So I subscribed there, and then I started learning. But when we evolve, when we learn, hindi siya sa isang platform lang.
Yeah.
The evolution comes from your reality, from your daily life, from your dreams, from your lucid dreams, from learning everything, understanding yourself, getting to know yourself. And so from there, it's just evolution up to now. The rest is all history. And then actually, before I got where I am right now, ang deep. Doc Jun, ang deep. Kasi I have to face the deepest and darkest part of myself.
Mm.
Sabi nila, you have to go through a crisis.
Yeah.
And sobrang hirap, sobrang intense. Pagsubok sa buhay yun. And it's very usually when things happen, may namatayan ka, someone died, or pagsubok maybe sa health, sa
Mm.
buhay. When that comes, you don't know why these things are happening, di ba? You started questioning
Yeah.
everything. But if you trust to the unknown, if you trust on the uncertainty, the possibilities are endless. Kaya if you hear people saying, forget about the past, stay in the present, because all the answers, everything that you want, dream of, is all in the present.
No.
So, yeah, go ahead.
Now, Coach, what were the thoughts running through your mind at that time? And ano ba yung nakapa-realize sa'yo na kailangan merong pagbabago na mangyayari sa buhay mo?
Yeah, I got into consciousness, June. Kasi if you just heal and you pray and you hope,
Hmm.
parang nagbebeg ka for your desires, for your dreams, for your goals, nothing's gonna happen. You have to change. I cannot stress enough how the word change makes a difference into your life. Nothing will change unless you change. It's uncomfortable, yes, but you know, every day you must ask your life, are you living the life that you want? So then if you really want to change, if you want to really live the life that you want, then you have to change.
True. Ang galing, ang galing. Now, moving forward, Coach EJ, how did you first hear about NLP and what made you take the leap? What made you take the leap to say, yes, kailangan ko to?
Intuition. Intuition. And I love talking to people. I love connecting to people who has the same energy. When I saw you how
Mm.
just now I was asking you, Doc Jan, I need a passcode. Kakatapos ko lang ng session at TNEG. My God, like he's hustling, right? We're looking for inspiration. We're looking to connect with people. Since before when we were in the Toastmaster, I've been observing you. And I'm like, wow, this person is something. So I must connect with him. So when we're looking for those people, you know that and that kind of energy, and you want to be with them. And that's why it's because of who you are. It's because of what you do. That's why I got into NLP.
Wow, thank you for that, Coach. Such a heartwarming thing to say. No, I'm so honored and flattered, Coach EJ. Now, Coach, moving forward, meron bang parang specific NLP tool or technique that, kumbaga nung nalaman mo, natutunan mo, nag-shift yung perspective mo?
Oh yeah, there is this the scenes, the
Hmm.
visual scenes, the three scenes technique yata. I remember. And plus I remember when nag-release ako sa hypnotherapy, that changed a lot.
Yes.
Nag-let ako. That
Timeline
is
therapy, timeline therapy.
timeline therapy, that's big. I also like the one where yung mga images, isi-set mo siya sa sides. And
Yes.
yeah,
VK differentiation.
yes, yes, actually, when minsan kasi in our lives, when we had enough, kapag ayaw mo na, parang, let's say, for example, let's go into a relationship example. Okay, let's say back then yung ex ko, okay, and then he's talking to me, he's very upset, and then looking at him, I don't hear anything. My instinct said, no, 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 parang may nag-whisper sa akin for the first time na loud and clear na nagsabi sa akin. It says, this is not the life that you want. When I heard that, I packed up my things, even though that's my house. I packed out all my things and then I went and drive off. And I went to my sister and I stayed there for months. So from then I started listening to my intuition. So going back to the that images naman, when nagsawa na ako, ayoko yung surroundings ko kasi it's not there's no peace for me. Uh, um, uh, I know I always believe that I have a beautiful spirit,
Mm.
and because I have a beautiful spirit, I deserve where I belong. My spirit is looking for a place that's beautiful, and I had enough. And then I tried to do that imagery in my mind. I try to actually exaggerate yung kung gaano yung wala akong peace, it's chaotic, yung surroundings ko, and the people maybe around me are not I'm not connected with them. And then that's the first image, how worse it was, and exaggerating it. And then the second imagery, like putting it on the side, and then what is the image I want, what I dream
Mm.
of, and then doing that. I think I've been doing it for like a week, a month when I remember before going to sleep or when I wake up. And then after that, I just let it go. Nakalimutan ko na siya. And then suddenly things change. Suddenly, oh my God, I've never imagined that I would see these places. Like I'm seeing, you know, in that snap, I'm already seeing a Milky Way in the middle of Oregon. And I'm seeing bears, and I've seen a lot of um stars. I'm in a river in Rogue River in the US, and it's so beautiful. And then suddenly I'm rock climbing in Utah. And I'm like, my God, but you know that I've already traveled the world, right? And suddenly I am ice skating in snowboarding actually in California. And so I'm like, oh my God, like to compare what I was then before and what I'm doing right now, it's like I'm holding the world. My power is limitless, Doc June. And then suddenly, damn. And then suddenly, like, bam, like it will hit you, right? And suddenly you're facing this crazy challenge. You're up there, and then now you're like up, like really bottom, right? And then susubukan ka ng life, and
Yeah.
then you ask yourself, why is this happening to me? And then again, you hold on, who are you? You go back to yourself, you reconnect to yourself, who are you? Kasi ang dami nating conditioning from our environment, how we grew up. But the truth is, when we were born, we are already limitless.
Yeah.
I remember, if there's something that I will do for the rest of my life, I will not stop dancing. Yung excitement ko as a kid performing elementary years, grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, and I'm seeing the invitation on graduation day, and then I see my name there, and then I'm performing this dance. That's all I care about. That's my happiness, right? And then like there's so much noise around us
Yeah.
that we tend to forget what really matters, what is really in our heart. I think we need to, at this time, at this era, at this age where all the information, you can find information everywhere, you have to go back to your heart, because this one, it's a lot of noise here.
I agree. Ang galing, grabe. Yun nga eh, parang biglang you were just all over the place, no? You were just all over the place and you're doing the things that you love. Just after, right after you were dancing and your YouTube channel biglang nagsumabog, no? Sumabog. Ang galing. And you were attracting the things that you already wanted. Coach EJ. I think before naalala ko, nagsa-struggle ka with your business, yung computer, di ba? Internet, ano yun, yung technology business pa yung business mo before. Nung time na yun. Now, can you describe, Coach, ano yung feeling, no? The feeling that the moment you felt that breakthrough.
And if I can express it through language, Doc June, there's no words can explain. It's
Yeah.
the most beautiful thing that you can ever imagine, and I don't know if people can relate to me. Even love, when few days ago, I just felt what love is. Love is all in you. I was playing this song, Can You Feel the Love Tonight?
Yeah.
Elton John, di ba? Lion King. But more of yung version, more of version ng yung latest Mufasa ngayon, which
Mm.
is sang by different singers, artists. Suddenly I was looking outside and I felt all the love from what I see. The nature, the people, the roads, me, all my flaws. It's the most beautiful love. And this morning before we had this meeting, Doc June, I was on my phone and I was following this guy on Instagram and it's talking about love. And I'm like, oh wow, the love is within me.
Yeah.
Even peace. Ito pa, Doc June, I wanna share this to you since I heard you were hustling. Sometimes, especially kayo, masculine energy, kami feminine energy. Masculine energy kayo. Always attack, 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 attack. Ganun kayo, di ba? And then for us, we lean on. We are in the divine love, divine energy. And that's why we are yin yang. Eh. That's why you need that
Mm.
that partnership,
Yeah.
with your wife. Uh, it's so beautiful because just few days ago, suddenly when I rest, I'm saying that when I rest, kasi kay attack kayong attack, but if you rest, if you lean on that divine energy, divine love, doctrine, suddenly ako, isa pa ako because I'm hustling too. I
Mm.
was in survival mode before. Attack lang ako ng attack. I was using my masculine energy. And I don't rest. Ako pag nag-rest ako, I'm like, oh my God, I'm lazy.
Yeah.
I'm judging myself. Wala, hindi ako productive. I'm not productive. I'm not producing results. May ganun ako. Especially working from the past. But then, like, just imagine in just a week or 2 weeks, one of the best, greatest things that you can learn in this lifetime is love and peace. And in just 2 weeks, suddenly I'm seeing that incredible love that is beyond and peace. Suddenly everything is so peaceful because that peaceful is in you. And I cannot wait. And I cannot wait for more because I've already seen the divine love where I'm just staring in one flower of bougainvillea flower. And I was crying. I was in tears, Doc June. I was in tears for this life because I can feel the love that this universe is giving to me. I can sense it. And even the love I have for it. That's why I know that my life is for contribution.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm getting emotional. Yes. Yeah.
You just have that love, no? Love, you just exude that love and warmth all over. And nakaka-infect, Coach EJ. I'm just so happy that we started this at this time. No? We need this. After experiencing that breakthrough, no? Yung breakthrough mo from hustling to who you are after, ano yung pagbabago sa professional life mo, sa personal life, in context for yourself, your business, other people, your family, ano yung changes? na napansin mo?
Okay. Okay. Professional is I'm gonna stick into one topic because I tend to jump, which I love.
Mm.
That's me. That's me.
Okay lang
Professional
yun.
is I guard my energy. I
Mm.
protect my energy because I know what I can offer.
Mm.
I'm very careful. I'm still on this learning process. You may think that, oh, she might be in a good stage, good life,
Yeah.
right? No, I'm still going through in this life journey that we all are. So that's it. I guard my energy.
Ay.
And for personal, oh my God, personal is massive, Doc Jun, because I've been focusing a lot about as a person more than business,
Mm.
which I need to work on. Business, relationship. Uh, I solely more focused now. It's been 6 months that I do the inner work, Doc Jun,
Mm.
literally inner work, everything about myself. Yeah. So after that breakthrough, I focus on myself.
Nice. Now, Coach EJ, if you could go back and give advice to the version of yourself who was struggling no, before, ano yung sasabihin mo kay EJ?
Oh my God, ihahug ko siya. I'll embrace her with love and tell her that it's okay, it's all right, you're gonna be great. You know that. There's no advice. I don't have to say anything to you. I know who you are. Who are you? You know what to do. So just relax, relax. It's all gonna be okay.
Amazing. No, from someone who was hustling, hustling and just struggling nung time na yun, and right now here you are living your life, doing the inner work. I feel it's more about kumbaga knowing who we are talaga, no? It's really more on discovering who we are. And once we discover who we are and ano yung purpose natin, just going after it. Taking action talaga. Taking action just to live the life that we want, no regrets, and also giving back to the world, no? Giving back. Contribute. Yun yung sabi mo kanina, Coach EJ, is to contribute. I'm meant to contribute something to everyone. Amazing. Coach, if you could summarize your journey in one sentence, what would it be?
Love.
Nice. Love, no? So, ano ngayon yung parang one powerful belief or mantra you now live by thanks to NLP?
Power of your mind.
Yes. Power of your mind. What made you say that? Power of your mind.
Kasi it's your road eh. It's your path.
Hmm.
You use this. It's your mind is so powerful. It's your supercomputer, di ba?
Yeah.
So it's gonna help you navigate through life. But this one makes the biggest decision in your life because that's who you are. So you need them both,
Yeah.
right? Yeah, so you have to find the balance between the two.
Now, Coach EJ, for
Mhm.
anyone who's going to watch this and listen to this, no, who feels stuck right now, hindi rin nila alam yung gagawin nila sa buhay nila, ano yung message mo sa kanila, Coach EJ?
Well, I think first you have to really get out of that survival mode, Doc June, because
Hmm.
it's hard to create when you're in survival.
Yeah.
There are pressing needs. You may have a family, and you are in this pattern. You're caught up with your work. You tend to repeat. It's a pattern. Like you work today, you work tomorrow, you work, and then what? 10 years, 20 years from now, you're still paying that amortization,
Hmm.
that house amortization. There's nothing wrong with that. Of course, you have to deal with that first. But find time to get to know you. Who are you? I said the greatest thing that you will lose in this life is you're betraying yourself. You're not following what you want. You're not following who you are. So I think my best advice is get out of that survival mode.
I agree. I agree. Ang ganda, ang ganda. Coach EJ, no? Get out of that survival mode, no? Get out of that. I feel also there needs to be a shift in the mindset, eh, from a survival mode mindset to a more abundance mindset, no? That
Creative. Yeah, to
yes, to a
creative mindset.
create mindset to create, that we create our world talaga. Now, so can you share something about what you're doing right now? Where can people connect with you? And ano yung mga projects that you want to share with everyone watching and listening to this?
Yeah, thank you so much for this opportunity, Doc June. I've always known that I want to use my voice to inspire people because the universe is feeding me so much love and blessings and grace. Whether I'm in a wonderful situation or in my worst, the universe is always there to embrace me and hold on to me. And that's why I ask myself, what can I do? How can I contribute? So since I am so blessed and I'm going back reconnecting to myself and I love dancing and I love sharing. I love sharing. Kahit sino kausap ko dyan, I love sharing the wisdom and everything, the experience that I learned. So I'm gonna follow that path. So now, if people want to check on what I do, I started dancing a lot.
Yeah.
So you can check out on the four big platforms: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. When you love dancing, there's no spaces. So I've been doing that. I've been creating a lot of content about dancing, and at the same time, I try to incorporate wisdom there because I love wisdom. I love sharing um, values. I love sharing beautiful experience or
Hmm.
what I learn or what I'm currently doing, and it makes me feel good, so I share it. That's it, Doctrine.
So do you still have your yung YouTube channel mo, coach?
Yes, yes, I have a team who's working on that. I actually retired for that, but it's still working because, of course, right? It's our income, di ba? Pero I said, okay, now it's time for me to contribute. It's time for me to do the things I love, reconnect to myself.
First of all, let me honor you, Coach EJ. Yung wisdom that you've shared with everyone, including me, it's just a great day to start our day, no? Kasi itong umaga natin ginawa to, and I feel it was just, kumbaga, right timing. And for me, Coach EJ, a reminder then for me to sometimes slow down din, no? Sometimes it's okay to rest, no? Kasi just like what you shared, na parang I could resonate, eh, yung parang push lang ng push, eh, na parang feeling mo 'pag nagpapahinga ka nagi-guilty ka pa. It's also a reminder for me, no, na June, it's okay to rest and it's okay to just, feel it, no? And, I honor you, Coach EJ. Thank you for saying yes to me. I know very short notice, but, I believe na maraming matutulungan with your message and the time that we spent together, Coach EJ. And I'm just so proud of you, no? Imagine after 3 years, look where you are now and the accomplishments. I know that the struggles will still be there. Hindi mawawala yung challenges kasi it's meant to make us better. But unlike before, we know how to look at our struggles right now. Mas alam na natin how to overcome our struggles, mas kilala na natin yung sarili natin, mas kumbaga we know how to rise above it. Hindi yung makokontrol tayo ng problema natin. And we know that we have a community to support, no, that will support us, and we have processes, techniques, yun nga yung sabi mo, visualization. And that alone, you've been using it until now, no? You've been, kumbaga, being able to create the life that you want, TMEJ. Once again, let me introduce myself. I'm Coach June Acevedo. I'm a certified neurolinguistic programming master trainer and a mindset mastery and transformational leadership coach. I've helped thousands gain clarity in their life and transform the lives of more than 100 individuals through our neurolinguistic programming certification program and help them become transformative leaders in their life and in others by equipping them with powerful tools that they can use to overcome all their emotional and mental struggles and have laser focus on achieving the life that they want. Allow me to help you break through your mental and emotional barriers, develop unshakable confidence, and master high performance strategies so you can scale your business, influence with impact, and achieve unstoppable success using powerful tools in neurolinguistic programming, timeline therapy, and hypnotherapy. If you're ready to level up, let's schedule a quick one-on-one clarity session. You never know, that session might be the one that will change your life. Send me a message and let's book that clarity session.